In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a passkey on PayPal in 2025, making your account safer and more secure. Setting up a passkey is a fantastic way to enhance your security, making it more difficult for unauthorized users to gain access to your PayPal account. Let's walk through the process together, step by step. First and foremost, you'll need to navigate to the main PayPal website. If you're accessing it from the Philippines or another location, you can search PayPal PH to ensure you're on the local page, which may offer the best features available to you. On the homepage, you'll find the Login button prominently displayed. Click it, and you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. Go ahead and log in with your usual PayPal username and password. Make sure that your password is strong. Ideally, a combination of letters, numbers, and special characters to keep your account secure. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to the PayPal homepage. From here, locate the gear icon, typically at the top right corner of your screen. This is your settings option. Click it to open up more account options. After opening the settings, you'll want to navigate to the Security tab. This is where PayPal holds all the tools needed to manage the security aspects of your account. Clicking on Security will display various options related to enhancing your account protection. In this security section, locate the option labeled Passkeys. Clicking on this will open up the specific interface where you can set up your passkey. PayPal's interface for passkeys is designed to be user-friendly, guiding you through the setup process effortlessly. To create a passkey, carefully follow the instructions provided on your screen. A passkey is essentially an additional layer of security, designed to work alongside your password to better protect your account. Using a combination of Touch ID, Face ID, or a secure PIN can make logging into your PayPal much smoother while keeping potential intruders at bay. Remember, security is crucial when managing your finances online. Using both a strong password and a passkey ensures a double layer of protection. Regularly updating your security settings and staying aware of any suspicious activity on your account can help in maintaining your account's safety. There you have it. A straightforward yet thorough guide on setting up a passkey on PayPal. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to take a moment to like and subscribe for more informative content. Stay secure and see you in the next video.